Welcome to AI Arch Wizard. I am Lady Vox. Let's start the timer, the stopwatch, so we can see the time. This is the one from Google. In this episode, I would like to show you what is possible in AI chatbots, even without logging in. We have ChatGPT and we have Grok. We are not logged in, as you can see. We opened it in a browser. I'm showing it here on iPad, but you can do the same on PC or any other platform. And there are mobile apps which you can install for iPad, for iPhone, and for Android. But you can use them in the browser. The standard browser in iPad and iPhone is called Safari, and the standard browser in Android is called Chrome. And here, I'm using Safari on an iPad. So you can see that GPT Chat and Grok are usable even without logging in. So let's take a look at what's available. There's no possibility to change the model. The ChatGPT looks like it's very limited in the free version. You can only ask something. And there's the possibility to upload a photo from the photo library, or take a photo and ask things about this photo, like extract text, or what breed of dog is this in the photo, or what is in this photo. And also you can choose files like text files or PDF files and ask the chatbot about these files. Let's take a look in Grok. In Grok, this feature is disabled to upload. But you can see there are a few more options. There is create image, but they demand a download and an app to do it. Here you can change the mode. So you can change the model to faster, expert, and an automatic selection. But the heavy part is you have to subscribe. So these are the possibilities here. So let's try to ask something. For example, what is an arch wizard? You don't have to put a question mark. You can just, that's enough. But enter is not calling it. You have to press the arrow up. And you can see that ChatGPT is answering. Arch wizard. What is an arch wizard? And usually ChatGPT at the end is also asking for some additional information. Would you like me to do something additional about the question that you ask? And you can say yes, and then it will be elaborated upon. Okay, and let's copy this here. I copied it, you see? This question. And I asked the same question of Grok. And in the case of Grok, you can see that it's opened on the right side, so it shows, because I installed this app. But, interestingly, I also have ChatGPT installed, but it doesn't say Open ChatGPT as an app on the upper right corner. Okay, so let's try to paste it. How to paste it? Hold. I hold it down and I paste. Paste. And also you see there are some completions. I press the arrow up, though I failed once again. Now. Okay, this is covering the text. It's annoying. Okay, so I was thinking, and you see, here's the answer. The Grok answers. And in this way, you can use chatbots for free, even without logging in. So, thank you for listening, and this is just an introduction that shows you that in the limited version, you can use both chatbots and also some other chatbots. So to access ChatGPT, just go to chatgpt.com, and to access Grok, just go to Grok, Grok.com. So you see, you don't have to go to Twitter or X. You can use it without logging in. Thank you.